What is happening, folks? Check it out. The fender flares are in. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to get this opened up and on the truck. The fender flares, Amazon purchase.
Yeah, boy. Something like that. Woo! That's gonna look so clean. Alright, we have our fender flares, we have instructions here. Something that I wasn't aware of, I guess these are just decorative bolts that go in there. I gotta do this to all of them. There's quite a few. We've got a bag, we've got them all here. Looks like we've got everything that we need. So we're just gonna get started on that. This, I believe, is a 1/2 inch. Kind of a pain, but it is what it is. It's gonna take a minute, huh? Trying to get, there we go, that looks cool. We're getting this rubber trim put on here. All I'm doing is just fitting it into place like so. Stand up here. I'm just kind of getting it in. Peel this back and get the adhesive to stick on there. I'm just gonna do this for all 4 of them, and then we will be ready to bolt these bad boys on.
I've already got started here removing the first fender flare, and I'm going to mosey on over to the right side, passenger side, get started on that.
We're taking off the mud flap. There's a couple screws that have to be removed here. I have removed screws to the fender flare. There's one here, back here, and another one right there, and there's one bottom there, right here. And also got one. There's right here. Alright. So this is ready to pop off, and it should adjust to do exactly that. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Okay, so now these little guys, these plastic guys, should just do some twist. Yeah. Twist and pull. That's all. Okay, that's the tricky one. That's all. Get that one. This is dirt, man. This is dirt from 12 years ago. Okay, this piece is now off. These little pieces, I'm not gonna lie, they're a pain in the ass. So you gotta crawl up under there, behind this little screen here, whatever you call that. And then these things are popped into there like that. So you gotta get in there, push this bad boy down, and pop them out. I can't even do it. I'm not gonna do it, but you gotta get those off. Took me a while. Have fun. I've already removed the mud flap. It's a bolt here, and then a bolt here. For the fender flare, there's a screw here, there's a screw here, there was one here, and there's one here, and then we're gonna pop it off. Also got one down here. I don't know if I showed y'all that one. Alright, the fender flares are prepped and ready to go. Now what I'm gonna do is get the truck actually prepped and ready to go. I need to get all this decade plus old dust off of here before I put the new flares on. What I'm gonna use to be tackling that is a bottle of soapy water and a rag. Let's go. Oh yeah. And we're gonna do that for the rest of them.
Look at that. We have got the new all flat black fender flares. Look at that. That just looks slick. That looks so good. Nice and clean and polished up. The fender flares all nice and blacked out.